Namaste, myself Dr. K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. My subject is Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and we will discuss about our new topic, that is the structure and the function of the thyroid, structure and the function of the adrenal gland. The paired adrenal और suprarenal gland भी बोलते हैं इनको, adrenal gland, one of which lie superior to each of the kidney in the retroperitoneal space, have a flattened pyramid shape. In an adult, each adrenal gland is 3 to 5 cm in height, 2 to 3 cm in width, and a little less than 1 cm thick, with a mass of 3.5 to 5 gram, only half its size at birth. During embryonic development, the adrenal gland differentiate into two structurally and functionally distinct regions: a large peripherally located adrenal cortex comprising 80 to 90% of the gland, and a small centrally located adrenal medulla. First, we discuss about the adrenal cortex. Is subdivided into three zones, each of which secrete different hormones. Outer zone, just deep to the connective tissue capsule, is the zona glomerulosa. Its cells, which are closely packed and arranged in spherical cluster and arced column, secrete hormone called mineralocorticoids. The middle zone, zona fasciculata, is the widest of the three zones and consists of the cells arranged in long and the straight column. It secretes mainly glucocorticoids. The cells of the inner zone, the zona reticularis, are arranged in branching cord. They synthesize small amount of weak androgens, steroid hormone that have masculinizing effect. First, the mineralocorticoids. Aldosterone is the major mineralocorticoid. It regulates homeostasis of two mineral ions, namely sodium ions and the potassium ions, and help adjust blood pressure and the blood volume. The aldosterone promotes excretion of hydrogen ions in the urine. The removal of acid from the body can help prevent acidosis, which is we have discussed earlier. The renin angiotensin aldosterone, RAA pathway, control the secretion of aldosterone. We discussed the RAA pathway in the detail, one by one in the steps. The first step is the stimuli that initiate the renin angiotensin aldosterone pathway include dehydration होगा, सोडियम आयन की डेफिशिएंसी या हेमरेज. Second point, these conditions causes a decrease in the blood volume. भाई हेमरेज या डिहाइड्रेशन तो ब्लड का वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा. थर्ड, डिक्रीज ब्लड वॉल्यूम लीड्स टू द डिक्रीज ब्लड प्रेशर. ब्लड का वॉल्यूम कम हुआ तो थर्ड, ब्लड का प्रेशर भी कम. लोअर ब्लड प्रेशर स्टिमुलेट सर्टन सेल्स ऑफ द किडनी कॉल्ड juxtaglomerular cells to secrete the enzyme renin. कि जो लोअर बीपी हुआ उससे सेल स्टिमुलेट हो जाएंगे, juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney, and they secrete the enzyme renin. Fifth point, the level of the renin in the blood increases. Renin converts the angiotensinogen, a plasma protein produced by the liver, into angiotensin 1. You can clearly see into the figure. And point 7, blood containing increased level of angiotensin 1 circulate in the body. As blood flow through capillaries, particularly those of the lungs, the enzyme angiotensin converting enzyme ACE convert the angiotensin 1 into the hormone angiotensin 2. Blood level of angiotensin 2 increases. Angiotensin 2 stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete the aldosterone. 11th point, blood containing increased level of aldosterone circulates to the kidneys. In the kidney, the aldosterone increase the reabsorption of sodium ion, which in turn causes reabsorption of water by osmosis. तो as a result, less water is lost in the urine. कम पानी जाएगा यूरिन के अंदर. और aldosterone also stimulate the kidney to increase secretion of potassium ion and hydrogen ion into the urine. 13th point, with increased water reabsorption by the kidney, blood volume increases. As the blood volume increases, the blood pressure increases to normal. 15th, angiotensin 2 also stimulate contraction of the smooth muscles in the walls of the arterioles. The resulting vasoconstriction of the arteriole increase the blood pressure and thus help to raise the blood pressure normal. Now the point 16, besides angiotensin 2, a second stimulator of aldosterone secretion is an increase in the potassium ion concentration of blood. A decrease in the blood potassium level has a opposite effect. This is the renin angiotensin aldosterone pathway, RAA pathway. Then the second is the glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids, which regulate the metabolism and resistance to stress, include cortisol. Of these three hormones secreted by zona fasciculata, cortisol is the most abundant, accounting for about 95% of glucocorticoid activities. कि three hormones are secreted: cortisols, corticosterone और cortisone. ठीक है, तीन हॉर्मोन्स में से कोर्टिसोल ज़्यादा अमाउंट के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है. Low blood level of glucocorticoids, mainly cortisol, stimulate the neurosecretory cells in the hypothalamus to secrete corticotropin releasing hormone CRH. CRH promote the release of ACTH from the anterior pituitary. ACTH flow in the blood to the adrenal cortex, where it stimulate glucocorticoid secretion. Glucocorticoids have the following effects: protein breakdown. Glucocorticoids increase the rate of protein breakdowns. The amino acid may be used by the body cell for synthesis of the new protein. Glucose formation को भी glucocorticoids increase करता है. On stimulation by glucocorticoids, liver cell may convert certain amino acid या lactic acid to glucose. Such conversion of a substance other than glycogen या other monosaccharides into glucose is called gluconeogenesis. It also increase the lipolysis. ठीक है. Then adrenal medulla. These are the hormones secreted by the adrenal cortex. Now the adrenal medulla, inner region of the adrenal medulla, is a modified sympathetic ganglion of the autoimmune nervous system. It developed from the same embryonic tissue as all other sympathetic ganglia. The two major hormones synthesized by adrenal medulla are epinephrine and norepinephrine, also called adrenaline and noradrenaline, respectively. The chromaffin cells of the adrenal medulla secrete an unequal amount of these hormones, about 80% epinephrine and 20% norepinephrine. In stress situation and during exercise, impulse from the hypothalamus stimulate the sympathetic preganglionic neuron, which in turn stimulate the chromaffin cells to secrete the epinephrine and norepinephrine. These two hormones greatly augment the fight or flight response. By increasing heart rate and force of contraction, epinephrine and norepinephrine increase the output of the heart with increased blood pressure. They also increase blood flow to the heart, liver, skeletal muscle, and adipose tissue, dilate airways to the lungs, and increase blood level of glucose and the fatty acids. This is all about the structure, synthesis, and regulation of the adrenal gland. This session is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.